Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric Princess telephone, and this is Garnett's equipment from PA. And this unit has some issues. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this telephone. This is the initial checkout. It's a very cool color. And she's got in a note here that the telephone does not dial out and the light for the keypad no longer works. And we do have a transformer that would be original to the telephone, and that was sent in, that came in with the telephone, so we're going to set that to the side, give you a look at this unit, and we want to troubleshoot our issue with the keypad. We'll go ahead and set our cover to the back. We have our keypad loose, so we'll go ahead and troubleshoot that issue, and we want to do a conversion on this unit for the light, and this is the original bulb that would have been in this telephone, and we're going to go to an LED light because they do not consume the power that the original bulbs consume, and these get hot and they create a lot of heat around the keypad area. I don't know if the video can pick that up, but the keypad has actually got some browning going on at that location where the bulb was, and that is due to the heat. So the power consumption of the older style bulbs really use up a lot of power over time, and they consume a lot more voltage than an LED light would. So we're going to go ahead and hardwire in a transformer because we do not want to get the transformer mixed up. Sometimes what can happen is the transformer can get parted from the telephone, and then the wrong transformer ends up getting plugged into it, and that can cause damage. So we're going to go ahead and hardwire the transformer in, and we're going to replace the original bulb with an LED. We're going to go ahead and get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric Princess telephone. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric Princess telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video, and it has a button on it. I can push that button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it is an open amplifier, it's prone to any static noise in the atmosphere or interference. And so if you hear any static or interference during the checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now, we also want to mention our original transformer. That is not needed any longer. We have a transformer that we hardwired to this unit, and that will be what powers our LED light. Now, we also want to talk about the lamp socket. If you look right here, you can see how dark that's gotten, and it began to melt. We also replaced the modular line port. It was broken, it's wore out, and it's brittle. So that was replaced. We can set that to the side. It is of no use to us. We also replaced our modular plug for our handset cord. We found that it was bad in our troubleshooting process, and that was replaced. We can set that to the side. Our original light bulb is no longer needed. We can go ahead and set that to the side because we have a more modern LED in the unit now, and that will have less power consumption. They do not have the heat that a regular bulb would generate, and they do not have the power consumption that a regular bulb would generate. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and start our final checkout. We're going to use the analyzer, and we're going to send a ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Now, we also want to mention there is a factory original switch on the back of this unit. It's located right here, and it's to the left right now. You can always switch it to the right. And what happens when you switch that switch is the night light for the keypad will stay on all the time in the one position, and then when you switch it, the light will only come on for the keypad when you pick up the handset, and then it goes right back out when you hang up. Now what we can do is go ahead and make that call. We'll give you some dial tone, and we'll dial that number.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday, November 29th. The time is 12:06. Current temperature at 51 degrees. Showers and isolated thunderstorms today, breezy and warmer, high around 60, south winds gusting to 30. Clearing tonight, low 42, partly sunny Tuesday, high 65.
We can hang our unit up. Now, we repaired the keypad issue. We installed a Polarity Protect circuit so that no matter where this unit is used, it will always work properly. And so that was taken care of. Now what we can do is make one other call. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Princess telephone in a really cool color has been repaired, we can return it to Garnet and she can enjoy this telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.